Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the nutritional benefits of various foods. In today's video, we will be discussing the nutritional facts of almonds. Almonds are a type of tree nut that are rich in healthy fats, fiber, protein, and various important vitamins and minerals. Let's take a closer look at the nutritional benefits of almonds. Almonds contain healthy fats that reduce bad cholesterol levels and prevent heart disease. They can aid in weight management by keeping you feeling full for longer periods of time. Almonds are a great source of magnesium, which improves bone density and plays a role in the absorption of calcium, promoting bone health. They help to control blood sugar levels by being a low glycemic index food and slowing down glucose absorption into the bloodstream. Almonds support brain function by protecting brain cells from oxidative damage and contain nutrients that improve brain function and reduce cognitive decline. They improve skin health by providing antioxidants that protect the skin from damage and healthy fats that keep the skin hydrated and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
1 ounce, or 28 grams, of almonds contains about 161 calories, 14 grams of fat, 6 grams of carbohydrates, 3.5 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of protein. They also contain small amounts of vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Magnesium is important for regulating blood pressure and maintaining healthy bones. Potassium is essential for maintaining proper fluid balance in the body and for keeping the heart and muscles functioning properly. Almonds are also an excellent source of fiber, with 1 ounce containing 3.5 grams fiber is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system, reducing the risk of heart disease, and promoting feelings of fullness. In addition to fiber, almonds are a great source of protein, with 1 ounce containing 6 grams protein is important for building and repairing tissues, and for maintaining healthy muscles and bones. Lastly, almonds are a great source of healthy fats, with 1 ounce containing 14 grams. These fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, have been shown to improve heart health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating almonds into your diet is easy and delicious. You can eat them as a snack, add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on salads, or even use almond butter as a healthy spread. That's all for today's video on the nutritional benefits of almonds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nutrition facts and healthy tips.